last lecture, we have started with the introduction of the H parameter. Now let's see different configurations of the transistor, that is common emitter, common base and common collector configuration. Now as shown in figure, first that is the CE configuration, which is called as the common emitter configuration, and second figure represents the H parameter equivalent for the transistor in CE configuration. Now let's see the typical values of H parameter for common emitter configuration. Here the different H parameters, as we have observed in the last lecture, that are HIE, then HRE, HFE and H0E. The typical value is HIE is 1.1 kilo ohm, HRE is 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 4, HFE is 50 and the value of H0E is 25 microsiemens. Now if you observe table carefully, the value of HRE, that is the reverse voltage gain, is 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 4, which is very small, and the value of HFE, that is the forward current gain, is 50, but the value of H0E is in terms of microsiemens, that is 25. So HRE and HOE both are very small, so it can be neglected. Let's see now what do you mean by the approximate H parameter equivalent circuit for the CE configuration. Now as we have discussed, the value of HRE and HOE, they are very small. They are having very small impact on the transistor models or the transistor parameter. You may consider voltage gain, current gain, Ri or R0. Here we can neglect suppose HRE and HOE that will not having any impact on these four parameter. So let's consider now a approximated hybrid equivalent circuit without considering HRE and HOE in the circuit. Now if you observe carefully here, HIE input impedance is present, then HFE, that is the forward current gain, is present, but HRE and H0E are not represented. Now as shown over here, this is about the CE configuration. Let's now discuss the H parameters for CB configuration and CC configuration. First configuration shown over here is the common base. Now let's represent the H parameters for CB configuration. HIE is given by VBE divided by IB by keeping VCE equal to 0. Second parameter is HRE, that is reverse voltage, is equal to VBE divided by VCE by considering IB equal to 0. Third parameter is HFE, that is forward current gain, that is equal to IC divided by IB by considering VCE equal to 0. And the last parameter is HOE, that is output admittance, is equal to IC divided by VEC by keeping IB equal to 0. Now as shown in figure A, it's a common base configuration where now the input is applied between base and emitter and the output is taken from collector and emitter. The second figure shows the hybrid equivalent circuit representing all H parameter HIE, HRE, HFE and H0. Let's see now the common collector configuration where now H parameters are indicated like HIC, HRC, HFC and H0C, where HIC is given by VBC divided by IB by keeping VCE equal to 0. Then HRC is given by VBC divided by VCE by keeping IB equal to 0. Then HFC is given by IC divided by IB by keeping VCE equal to 0. Last term is HOC is given by IC divided by VEC by keeping IB equal to 0. Here now in the first figure, it shows a common collector configuration where the input is applied between base and collector section and the output is taken from emitter and collector section. And the second figure indicates the hybrid equivalent circuit indicating four parameters HIC, then HRC, HFC and H0C. Now if you observe carefully, common emitter, common base and common collector configuration all are having the equivalent hybrid equivalent structure which will be indicating 4 H parameters. Let's see now the H parameter values for the various configuration. The parameters are HI, for CE it is 1100 ohm, for CC it is 1100 ohm, for CB it is 21.6 ohm. Let's consider second parameter, that is HF, that is forward current gain. For CE it is 50, for CC it is minus 51, for CB it is minus 0.98. Now the third parameter is HR, that is the reverse voltage gain. For common emitter section, it is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4. For common collector section, it is 1. And then for common base structure, it is 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4. The last parameter is H0, that is the output admittance. For CE, it is 25 microampere per volt. For CC, it is 25 microampere per volt. And for CB, it is 0.49 microampere per volt. Now, if suppose the manufacturer data sheet is given to you, normally the parameters of CE are specified. So, if suppose I want the parameter for CB and CC, then now I must know the relationship between the CB and CC with the CE configuration. Now, let's see how if suppose in the manufacturer data sheet CE list is given, then how to find CB values and CC values for the H parameters. Here the table shows if common emitter sections are given, then common collector and common base conversion, how it is possible. First table will be indicating common emitter to common collector. So HIC is equal to HIE. HRC is equal to 1 minus HRE. HFE is given by minus in bracket 1 plus HFE. And the last one is H0C is equal to H0E. Now from here we can get that the values of emitter parameters are given to us and collector can be easily determined. The second column says common emitter to common base conversion. So HIB can be calculated, that is equal to HIE divided by 1 plus HFE. HRB is given by HIE into HOE divided by 1 plus HFE into HRE. Then HFB is given by minus HFE divided by 1 plus HFE. And the last one is H0B, that is equal to H0E divided by 1 plus HFE. This is called as the parameter conversion from CE to CC and CB. Now here we have seen different mathematical analysis, different mathematical formulas to determine HIE, HFE, H0E and HRE. Now let's move to the graphical determination of H parameter. How we will consider from the graph these 4 parameters can be determined. So if suppose the input and output characteristics of the transistors are given to us, then how to find out the values of these 4 parameters. Now let's define these 4 parameters for the CE configuration, and now let's start with the graphical determination of the H parameter. In the first parameter, HIE is given by del VBE divided by del IB by considering constant VCE. Then HRE is given by del IC by del IB by considering constant VCE. Then HFE is given by del VBE divided by del VCE by considering constant IB. And last is H0E is given by del IC by del VCE by considering constant IB. Now let's move for the determination of HIE. Here it shows the graphical measurement of HIE, that is the input impedance. We know now the formula of HIE, which is given by del VBE divided by del IB, that is nothing but base to emitter voltage divided by base current. Now to determine the value, just go through the figure of this figure A, which is giving for the determination of HIE from the input characteristics. Now here the procedure says that first determine the value of HIE by locating the Q point on the input characteristics curve as shown in figure. Then draw a line which is AC tangent to the input characteristics for VCE equal to VCEQ. The slope of this line gives us the value of HIE. Now as a small change in VBE is chosen over here, then at that time the resultant change in IB can be calculated. Now HIE is given by del VBE2 minus del VBE1 divided by IB2 minus IB1. Now here del indicates the small change in VBE with respect to small change in the base current. This is how we get the value of HIE from the graph, which is the input characteristics curve for the transistor. Let's move to the second point, how to measure HRE by the graphical analysis. Now we know HRE is the reverse voltage gain, which is given by del VBE divided by del VCE. Now here we are going to consider a term IB, which is to be constant. Now here if we observe the graph carefully, that is a graph of IB versus VBE. Now we are going to draw here a horizontal line through the Q point as shown in figure, where now IB value is to be remained constant. Now the point of intersection of these input characteristics with the input characteristics curve will be giving us two values VCE2 and VCE1. Now if we draw here two lines which will be intersecting on the x-axis, that will be giving me another two values that are called as VBE2 and VBE1. Now